like get it all. Yeah, make it clear. Like, you know, see this place. It's gone. Wow. I can't see anything. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, Dad. Oh, yes. It's like hiking. So making the best of it. Wow. Yes, Sasa. Yeah. I've been hiking. Beautiful Utala. I don't know, this is the main grid or something. I don't know. Wow. So this is Utala. Our main road. On the other side. So yeah, they're making ballast. So this is where they found at least some ballast. This is where they get ballast. Some little ice car. Wow. How am I going to get back? Oh my gosh. I'm tired. I'm panting like a dog. Oh. Oh. Just panting like a dog. All this is Utawala. Wow. It's now not hot here. It's like there's a very cool breeze over here. Wow. This is so nice. Wow. This is so nice. But have I hurt my leg or something? I've not hurt my leg. Oh. Oh my god. This is so nice. Yeah. So I've really made it. So I think this one goes up to, I don't know. I don't know if it's coming from and where it's going to. I've never bothered. But for the last years I've never even taken any note to know whether it's there or not. I can see a woman with a Bible somewhere under a tree. Let's see. We always get to like, wow, it's so nice. So I'm ending my video here. I'll again continue on the other side. My camera is like hot.